going to be a bit of a short video today. We're just going to my mum's allotment because she hasn't been able to go for a few weeks, so it's been quite sunny and quite rainy, so we're guessing it's going to be quite a jungle in there. Well, it's not quite as bad as we thought. It's a little overgrown, but I think we can quickly zip round with the strimmer and tidy up all this. And what else is to do? There's a load of all the hedging's grown up here. I've got the hedge trimmer with me, so I'll quickly get the hedging trimmed down and tidy it round the little shed. And Liz is just trying to attack the potatoes and whatever else is there. And what? Sorry?
Ant's nest.
Oh, an ant's nest. That's always fun. Liz has tidied up all this bit here with the potatoes and a few other things in, so that's a lot better now. And she's just starting to do that bit over there, so that's getting there, which is good. All that end we're going to probably leave, and we'll just finish tidying up a bit of this.
That's a big one. Ooh, look at those. Hey.
Well, we've got some potatoes for tea, so that's good.
Oops, nice. Yeah.
Ant's nest. Well, that looks a lot tidier, so we're done now. We'll pack up and go home. There were some potatoes there we've picked, and we've tidied up all that there, which was relatively straightforward. We've done it, and we did find a poor little baby wren that was stuck in a water butt and was struggling to get out, so we managed to get him out, which was a nice little job for the day, so he'll be happy. So, yeah, see you next time. Bye.